a party in that lobby. But be careful who you mess with, cause a hotel everybody. Miami where all that ass from, and your girlfriend's got one too. Now it ain't my birthday, baby, but I wanna see you in her in your birthday suits. I was like, hey, she was like, yo. I was like, bowling, she was like, so. Wanna hit BTs, wanna hit Scarlets, wanna hit Tootsies, baby, let's go. She was more like, I'm talking about a killer.
I'm very pleased with this.
I'm very pleased with that. Howdy, y'all, and welcome to Tuesday. My name. Today we are at 305 Peruvian, and I'm sitting with my good friend. She told me that so far all I've been doing is Cuban food, and Miami is more than Cuban food, and I'm trying to do more than the South Beach. So we're down here at 305 Peruvian, and we're gonna try Peruvian. So what beer we got? We need to get the guy over here because we're gonna start with beer. But the first thing they did is they brought out these little fried plantain chips that she was eating on, and it came with this little dipping sauce. I'm gonna try one here and see what it is. See what it is.
It's spicy.
I got a little kick to it. I like that. I like that. We're gonna get the guy over here, get a couple of beers. She's gonna figure out what appetizer we're gonna eat. We'll be right back with you.
Yeah. What is this? I just like the orange.
We got the Cristal, which is the latter one. I got the Tuscania, which is the lager. They came with these pretty glasses. But I'm a redneck. I don't know what that's about. Cheers. Let's give it a whirl.
Wow, it's like water.
Tuscania is good beer, boy.
This is delicious.
This is a really good one. This one ain't percent alcohol. I'll sneak up on you. I'll tell you what. Tuscania, look at that. Tuscania.
But look at mine, dude. Mine has like a freaking. Look, my shit looks good.
And she got a good one on there too.
Yeah.
It's good beer.
Good beer.
They're gonna bring us an appetizer here in a minute.
The appetizers are going to be papa la huancaína.
Papa la huancaína. What is that?
Papa la huancaína is a potato in this yellow spice.
Potato and yellow spice.
And it has like an olive. It's really good.
Oh, okay.
And leche tigre because, you know,
leche tigre.
Obviously Peruvian food isn't the same without freaking leche tigre.
Leche tigre,
yeah,
obviously.
and I judge every single restaurant.
Tiger milk.
Yeah. And I judge every restaurant and Peruvian restaurant off the leche tigre.
Oh, that's the one. All right, so we'll let you tigre in. We're going to find out this dog a hundred and you this dog a home right there. Okay, that's the one. All right, so we're going to get some beers. And they got chicharrones. Should we do some chicharrones?
I don't know. I feel really proud right now.
Yeah.
My Peruvian beer. I could have just so lit. Like, yeah, I'm from Peru, man. You know, do they have Oklahoma beer?
No. It's just not big enough to do. It's not big enough.
Damn, I feel so cool. For some reason, like, I'm all extra proof.
This is papa la huancaína. It's basically, as you can see, the steamed potato with the sauce on top. That's made with yellow chili peppers, the Peruvian yellow chili peppers.
Okay.
It's primarily going to be boiled just to take all the spiciness out, so you're going to get just the taste. And after that, it's going to be blended with a little bit of cheese, milk, and cracker to give it that consistency.
Oh, wow. Oh, and delicious. Now the watercress?
Give these potatoes a whirl here, say.
It's all about this.
All about the sauce, she says. Let's see. I ain't a big fan of potatoes. To be honest with you.
Me either, but
He said steamed potatoes. I got a little bit worried.
a little bit worried.
But these right here, boys, that dog will hunt. That's really good.
But man, we need more of this. You know what I'm saying? Like, wow. Okay. Please zoom in on this shit. Wow. This is lit. Wow, look at this. It's also common, getting some kernels and also some sweet potato with it.
It's a sweet potato?
Yeah. Isn't it? Yeah.
It looks like it's papaya. But
No, it should be sweet potato. Sweet potato?
That is a
Sweet potato, right?
That is a very sweet potato, boy.
It's supposed to be sweet potato.
And it's got these little corn kernels. Weird shaped kernels I ain't never seen before.
Oh my god, I can't wait to taste this. Okay, I always judge
Yeah.
every single restaurant. Okay, guys, this is some good ceviche.
This is good. This is the judge right here.
It's spicy,
It's
it's
the
salty,
judge.
it's amazing. You see the spice, the saltiness, the sourness. So good.
Yeah, boys. You can taste the fish. It's spicy, it's salty. It's and you put the corn in there.
That's what I'm doing.
It's ceviche right here, boys. It's dog a hunt. So far, you gotta make your own way down here. It's good. Valeria says it's good. So
Really good.
we're gonna keep working. That's good.
Yeah, like I just wish that instead of it looking like a fast food restaurant,
Right.
it would look more traditional.
Yeah, it does. Like
Like
a
I
lot
want
of
more
the
traditional.
focus is on the bar area back here.
I mean, this is fine, but it could be more
it looks
traditional.
like they do a
you know?
lot of to-go orders. Like it is just kind of a plain looking
I mean,
spot,
the food quality, I would like it to look more Peruvian in here, like for some reason. It's worth, you know what I mean?
Yeah, this ceviche is. Now you were telling me what kind of pasta am I getting? Tallarines verdes
Tallarines verdes. Tallarines verdes.
con churrasco. That's what it was. Which one the one was looking at?
Brewed by Union de Cervecerías Peruanas, Bacchus y Johnson S.A., Lima, Perú. Product of Peru.
Product of Peru. You were asking me about Oklahoma beers.
Yeah.
You see right here on this label, like OK Plus.
Yeah?
Look here. Right here on this label, there's little OK Plus. See? OK Plus. That OK Plus right there. That means this is Strong Point beer and has to follow different rules in the state of Oklahoma to be sold.
Really? Why?
That's the rules. You gotta follow them.
In Oklahoma?
In Oklahoma, you gotta follow them rules. Oh, look here.
Oh, wow. So cute. Thank you so much. Oh my
Wow, that is
God.
good looking. So we got this.
Green spaghetti.
Got the green spaghetti. They're a little flatter, almost like a fettuccine. Got a piece of churrasco steak, and it looks like a piece of fried potato there. Well, it's a good piece of steak, eh?
Yeah, I wish they gave me more pasta. And the pasta is where it's at. Because the sauce is super like, it smells really good.
That's a good steak. Valeria says the pasta's where it's at because the sauce is the key. So let's get us some pasta here.
Very well made. My mom used to hand make this sauce.
Valeria, with this dog a hunt? This dog a hunt. Wow. Wow. She brought me out here, said let's go try some Peruvian food. We got these noodles, the green spaghetti with a piece of churrasco. What's it called? What's the name of this?
Tallarines verdes.
Tallarines verdes with churrasco on there. That dog a hunt. That dog a hunt, won't it? That dog a hunt, boys. I'm gonna put this down and we'll be back. Really good.
So many flavors.
It all works together.
Very delicious.
Even this fried potatoes on the side that just.
I love how like equal attention is paid to everything that came on the plate.
Oh, it's also good though. You was telling me that Peru's got the most potatoes
and corn of anybody in the world?
Yeah, the most variety.
Most variety of potatoes and corn of anybody in the world.
Yeah. I even heard that Peruvians discovered the pineapple. Because the pineapple was really small. It was like this big. And then eventually, through years of like, you know, redoing it, they got it to be bigger. That's why it's big the way it is now. It used to be just this big.
Really?
Yeah, I heard that. It's a true story, and I think the Peruvians were the ones that did it.
Peruvians are good farmers. Who'd have thunk it? Who'd have thunk it? Because Peru, when you think Peru, it's all mountains, isn't it? It's all right there on the.
No, it's like it's a huge piece of land that has jungle, desert, normal land. They have mountains. They have ice. They have snow and shit. They have Lake Titicaca.
Lake Titicaca. Lake Titicaca.
What is this? What is lucuma?
Lucuma basically is a Peruvian fruit. It's gonna be a little bit creamy.
Right.
No, it's not too sweet. In this case, we do it like a mousse.
Like a mousse.
Exactly.
Okay. With
And
what?
in this case, the crocante is gonna be with a vanilla cracker on the bottom. The mousse, and on top is gonna be like a little spirit like cracker, so you give it the crunchy part of the dessert. And the chocolate is gonna be basically the same, but on the bottom is gonna be a chocolate cracker.
Oh, but the mousse is the same.
The mousse is gonna be the same, and it's gonna have a little more cover of chocolate on top too.
Do you have lucuma ice cream right now?
Unfortunately, we don't have any ice cream in the restaurant. Just basically just this kind of dessert.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Wow, I never had lucuma. I don't know.
I've never had lucuma. I mean,
Lucuma is a really cool dessert.
we might give a whirl. We might have to break tradition and actually do.
It's actually a huge freaking dessert. Oh my god.
They did good.
Has a lucuma taste.
It looks like sweet potato pie. Looks like it could be a sweet potato pie or pumpkin pie, maybe. Got a real orangey. That is really good.
It's a lucuma taste. You sense the lucuma taste?
Oh yeah, the lucuma in it's. My brain was thinking one thing. Man, that is wow. That is really good. I'm glad you made me break tradition on this one.
I'm glad we're tasting this. I just love the lucuma taste.
This has been a good one, boys. It's dog a hunt. Y'all need to get down here. We, to be honest with you, what we did on the meal is we split it, and I was able to finish mine, but somebody had to get it to go back.
Yeah.
They're generous. They are generous with their servings. The leche de tigre that we had was big. The portions that they give are big. It is a dog a hunt. A dog a hunt, boys. A dog a hunt.
Alright, so this is the purple corn drink. It's a little bonus thing. It's not on the menu, but Miss Peru knew all about it, so we got to try it out here. Let's see.
Wow. This is some good chicha morada, guys.
Chicha morada.
Chicha morada. It's milky.